Hi student, I am Sanjay Ovri, working as assistant professor in Inbinoli Senior College of Engineering, Solapur, in Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I completed my MTech in ANTC. I have total 8 years of teaching experience. I qualified GATE 2 times and recently I qualified the UGC NET in Electronic Science in June 2019. Today we are going to discuss the microprocessor 80286. In that we will going to cover the 2 points, that is the introduction and the some features of microprocessor 80286. So at the end of this lecture, student will be able to tell the features of 80286 and tell the difference between 8086 and 80286. To understand this lecture, students have the basic knowledge of microprocessor, require the knowledge of buses, that is what is mean by address bus, what is mean by data bus, control bus, and at least know the generations of the processors. And last is the functions, different blocks of the microprocessor and the functions of that particular blocks. Introduction. 80286 is introduced in 1982 and it is the fifth among the Intel 86 family. It has a very fast clock than the previous version. We can say that the 6 times faster than the previous one. It is a multitasking. It has a multitasking and multi-user ability. It is available in 68 pin and it can be available in 3 different packages, that is a plastic lead chip carrier, ceramic lead chip carrier and pin grid array form. It has a non-multiplex address and data bus. Unlike 8086 has a multiplex address and data bus, so that's why the speed of 8086 is less than the 286. It has a more addressable memory capacity and it has a 4 independent functional unit in its architecture. It is a high performance 16-bit microprocessor. It is a design using HMOS, hybrid metal oxide semiconductor third generation technology, and it contains the total 125,000 of transistors. It has advanced memory management and protection ability. It has a better pipeline method. It has a total 24 bits of address bus, so that's why it can access the 16 MB of physical memory. It can operate on the different 3 clock frequencies, that is it has 3 versions and operate in the 12.5, 10 MHz and 8 MHz clock frequencies. The instruction sets of 286 are compatible with the 8086. It has 2 operating modes, that is a real addressing modes and another is the protective virtual addressing mode. In real addressing mode, it can address up to 1 MB of physical memory, and in protective virtual addressing mode, it can address up to 16 MB of physical memory, and using extended form, it can address up to 1 GB. It has a 8 16-bit general purpose register, 4 16-bit segment registers. It has a 16-bit status and instruction pointer. In real mode, it will support the object code. In virtual mode, it supports the source code of with the 8086. It has a 16-bit flag register. 8086 has a faster multiplier. That's why the speed of operation is very faster. It has an additional address calculator to perform the addition. Like 8086, it has a 6 byte of prefetch queue, instruction queue, so that it can fetch the instruction in advance. These are the few features of 80286. Next part, that is, we are just comparing the family, Intel family 86 family with respect to the data bus, address bus, and its memory addressing capability. 86 has 16-bit data bus, 20-bit address bus. So memory addressing capability is calculated always 2 to the power number of address bus. So that's why 2 to the power 20. It is a 1 MB of addressing capability 8086 has. 186 has the same features, that is a data bus 16-bit, address bus 20-bit, and memory addressing capability also 1 bit. In 286, data bus is same, but the address bus bits are increased, and the address bus is of the 24 bits. So that's why the addressing capability, memory addressing capability is increased up to 12 MB. In 386, the data bus is of 32 bits, address bus also same, that is 32 bits. So it can address up to 4 GB physical memory. 486, it has the same data bus, address bus, and memory addressing capability like a 386. The advanced processor, that is a Pentium 4, it has a 64-bit address bus, 64-bit data bus, 40-bit address bus. So that's why it can address up to 1 TB of physical memory. These are the comparison table used to compare the different Intel processors. Now we have one exercise. You have to list down the different microprocessors of Intel series and write down their operating frequencies. Thank you.